Welcome back to the channel. So we have been waiting for hours for this rain to stop, but it's not going anywhere, and we haven't even been to the centre of Ljubljana yet. We've been sitting in the van because yesterday I was just reorganising the whole van because it's been a mess since Dom got back, because there were suitcases all over the floor, so I just spent literally the whole day sorting it out. But as you can probably hear, it's really raining right now, like really badly. But we're not going to let it get us down. We've got our waterproofs on and we're going to brave it. We have to get a bus to town. I think it's about a 20-minute bus journey. Hopefully the bus isn't too far because, yeah, this is a lot of rain and we don't have an umbrella. We just have these waterproof coats. It just seems to be getting worse and worse, but let's go and brave it.
Hello.
After hours of torrential rain, we've made it to Ljubljana Castle. I mean, it was raining when we got here and we had quite a treacherous walk up some really steep stairs in the torrential rain. My coat is still soaking wet. We got here and sat down in the cafe and had a coffee. Where's Dom?
Yeah, there's my hair still soaking.
Yeah.
After about an hour.
I think it's been more than an hour. But yeah, my coat is all wet inside somehow. It's just very cold and sticky.
Yeah, after we come out we couldn't work out where to buy a ticket. And then it looked like we were in the castle anyway. So we went to go up the viewing tower. Then there was a barrier where you needed a ticket.
Yeah, we got all the way up the top of the tower. We didn't have a ticket. But I think we've decided not to go in.
Well, we've got an hour until it closes anyway.
Yeah, it's only got an hour until it closes because we've been waiting so long for this rain to stop. But there's so much to just walk around and look at, so we're just going to walk around. The great thing about this castle is there's panoramic views from everywhere, basically. Really cool views of the city of Ljubljana and then the mountains just around it.
Now on the quest for cake.
Yeah, basically a lot of you commented about the bakery fail, saying that it wasn't chocolate, it was poppy seed, and that's a common thing here. So we're gonna try and hunt this pastry with poppy seed in it, or a cake version of it, and yeah, hopefully I just got a bad batch of the pastry because I want to like it. All of you are saying that it's actually really tasty, so I don't see why I wouldn't like it. So we're gonna try again, try and find the same one and give it another chance. We are leaving the castle now. Wish we could have shown you more of it, but it's too late to go in really. If we bought a ticket we wouldn't get that long there, so we're just gonna walk back down, and it looks like this way is a lot nicer than the way we came up. It's a slow incline or decline now, I guess, but it's just very nice, very naturey, and now that the rain stopped the air is just really nice. These stairs are actually the way that we came up, but look at this view. We didn't get to see it because it was so raining when we came up. But we can enjoy it going back down because we were super sweaty, wet, out of breath, whatever. But it's a lot nicer coming down. Look at that. These stairs are kind of never ending. I think we're nearly there.
Well, I'm absolutely stuffed.
Bit louder.
I'm absolutely stuffed.
Oh.
And the Slovenian dumplings with beef like in a goulashy sauce. And then I had that big old bucket of beer to wash it down with, and now I want to go to sleep. And Emma wants to walk the streets in the pouring rain. What did you have, Emma?
And I had beef soup and roast potatoes, but it was more like mashed potatoes, and it was really good though, really good food. We went to this restaurant called Figovec, which was recommended by Natasha, who has been you've been such a big help, Natasha, for information on Slovenia, and Alexander, you have as well, thank you so much. But annoyingly we didn't get to see that much because of the rain. It was like thundering, raining non-stop, and there were very few times when it lightened up and it wasn't raining, but I was getting really paranoid about getting this camera wet, so didn't get to film much. But tomorrow it's supposed to be not raining in the morning, so hopefully we're going to get up early and get back down to town. I'm kind of gutted that I didn't get to show you more, and we didn't go inside the castle because we just were waiting around in the van waiting for this rain to stop, but it never really stopped. Still glad we got to see a bit of the centre. It was really, really lovely, so hopefully we'll get to go back and show you when it's not super rainy. We are leaving this campsite tomorrow, but we're not leaving this city yet. So right now it's 8:30 at night. It's actually quite late, but yesterday, annoyingly, it was really, really sunny yesterday, but instead of going out, we spent the whole day in the van. I really wanted to just organise the whole van, and it is now. It is perfect. Everything has its own space, because for so long we had Dom's suitcases on the floor and we were just constantly falling over them. It was getting really, really irritating, and now everything is packed away, everything has its space. We spent the whole day just sorting it out, and yeah, it feels so much better not having to trip over stuff, climb over stuff, and yeah, it's really good. But now that, because everything has its own space and it's all looking good, I was going to film a van tour today, but because of the rain we couldn't really do that either because it was quite loud. We will film a van tour this week, but just not today. While I was tidying everything, I came across like 7 bananas. I've got this huge pack of really browned bananas that I didn't eat, and I've never made banana bread before. I was thinking, because I have some flour, I don't have any rising agents, but I've got flour and I've got eggs, so I thought maybe I would try to make some banana bread, because we're still kind of full from dinner, but I want to use these up. Maybe we can have banana bread for breakfast. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. I'm going to attempt to make banana bread for the first time ever. Hopefully it goes okay. This is actually the first time I have felt cold in the van in a very long time. I felt cold like the first week I was in here and I had the heating on, because we do have heating in here, but I mean it feels a bit unnecessary to put it on right now. I'll just put a jumper on. But I suppose I'm going to put the oven on now, so that'll probably warm up the van a little bit. What does BBC Good Food say about making banana bread? Something tells me that this is going to come out really bad. These bananas are super squishy. Alright, let's have a look. I need to mash them all up. I suppose that's like step 1. At least because they're brown, they're going to be super sweet, because I don't have sugar to put in. We didn't manage to find this poppy seed cake. We're going to have to find it tomorrow, because I really want to give it another go. I don't know why the last one I had was bad. I'm sure that they're actually really good. I'm desperate to give it another go. Ew. This might be too many bananas. That is a lot of bananas. Ooh, blimey. My hands are all sticky. And we have a big bowl of mash. I don't have a masher, but the fork did it so easily. It smells really, really good, but it looks really gross. Okay, what's next? I don't know. What do I do? 285 grams of plain flour. I don't have half the stuff on this list.
Aren't you meant to have raisin flour?
Yeah. Right, I'm just gonna attempt with what I've got. We've got some cinnamon to put in the flour. Apparently this calls for a whisk. I'm gonna whisk up some eggs, 2 eggs, and some butter. I just know this is gonna go so wrong. The main reason that this is becoming a nightmare is I don't have the utensils that are needed for this. Look, what, like, I have this one bowl that needs to go in here, and this also still needs to go in this bowl, but the bowl's full, and it's the only bowl I've got. So, I'm not sure how to navigate this. I don't know if the ratios are right. I'm just gonna have to use what's in this bowl. Right, I'm gonna put that in here and put it in the oven. Well, there we have it. A big pot of cinnamony flour goo. I've never even baked a cake before, so this is not looking good so far, to be honest. It smells alright, but I guess we'll find out. Well, it's been an hour. I've edited this vlog and the cake should be ready.
The cake?
The cake?
Have a cake.
What?
It's bread. It's not cake.
Oh yeah, banana bread. It's basically a cake though. I'd call it a cake.
Oh,
it's not really
dear.
bread. It's fake bread.
It's not ready bread.
It's not really bread. It's not really bread, it's more like cake. Would you call it a cake or bread?
Let me know in the
Let us
comments.
know in the comments. But yeah, the cake, the bread should be ready now. Let's try it out. Okay. They don't look that bad. Oh. Well, it looks a little bit gooey. I think the ratio was wrong. I put more banana in than flour, like in terms of the ratio, but let's try it.
What's that, a flapjack?
Like a flapjack. It's a bit like gooey.
Oh, that looks vile.
It tastes okay,
No, you can enjoy that.
but it's not very bready. It's not very banana bready.
That's what you want from banana
It's
bread.
like banana gooey.
Somebody shuts.
What are you singing? It just tastes like goo.
It's not banana bready.
No. It tastes a bit like porridge.
Porridge?
Yeah. It tastes like porridge. You try some.
I don't want to try.
Just try it. I've just bloody made it.
Betty Crocker, my fault. It just looks like
Goo.
soggy.
Weetabix.
Ugh. It should just taste like someone's got a loaf of bread, drenched it in water, and put cinnamon on top.
Great. Well,
If I knew you was coming, don't bother baking the cake.
well, thank you a lot. To be fair, I had no ingredients.
That's a no from me.
Well, the lesson I've learnt today, if you don't have the ingredients, don't make the cake.
Wise words.
Yeah. That's a shame. I was kind of looking forward to that. We'll have to get the actual ingredients and make it again. In the bin they go. Actually, the other one might have turned out better because the ratios were slightly different. Yeah, no, that's no. But that also looks pretty, yeah. It literally just looks like Weetabix, like soggy Weetabix. So, no cake for us, but thank you for watching. Sorry that this video wasn't that exciting, didn't really get to do too much because of the rain, but hopefully tomorrow, no rain, and lots of fun. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Say bye, Dom.
Oh, I've still got that in my flavour in my mouth. Oh.
Aww.
And on that note, bye.